everything is closed. So, kagabi pa namin ito hinahanap. Finally, nakarating kami. But then, it's closed. Hi! Hi!
Do you know what time the stores are open?
Oh, no.
It's closed today?
They are.
It's closed because it's Sunday.
Yeah.
Sheshe.
Eh, yung closed.
Eh, yung Koreano siya, nung bakit? Bakit? Paano siya nagpaalam sa'yo?
Ano? Ano ba?
Paano ko ba yung mga Koreano? Yan, hindi siya nagpaalam. So, we therefore conclude
That it is closed.
So,
It's a Sunday.
correct. So, this Koreatown and it's closed. Tsaka, ay! Death becomes us.
Ito ba yung dinaanan natin? Sama-sama?
Okay, we turn left and we are going to, once again, the other side, which is Granville. Granville. Mahirap pala mag-shoot habang umuulan, no? Habang may hawak ka pang payong.
Gusto mo hawak-hawak yan?
Hindi, eto.
Nagsasalita?
Hindi, okay to.
Okay, so now we are going to Granville.
Uy, ito yung gusto mo, oh.
What's that?
Mangustin.
No, it's okay. We need to go.
Okay. Anong fruit yung isa? Nakita mo?
Ayan yung pinuntahan natin. Oh my God. Ito na hotel.
Yan yung GI Mall.
Yun eh.
It's closed.
Yeah, but the stores that are open.
Maple.
Go.
So, sarado. When it's Sunday, they open late.
Sabi nung mama, hindi raw sila mag-open.
No, yung GI Mall. So, nakikita niyo.
Linggo ngayon, bale.
Oo, it's Sunday. So, wala naman pala masyado pinagkaiba sa Pilipinas, di ba? Ganun din ho dito pag umuulan, nababasa ang tao. Halika na. Pasensya na kayo sa video na to dahil,
Nabasahin pa ako.
ba't di ka nag-rubber shoes? Sabi sa'yo meron akong itim eh.
Pagkatita ko na.
Alam nyo dito, hindi dito nakatira si... Walang MMDA, kaya tinan nyo ang poster. Ayun yung kakadikit, OA. Walang MMDA. So, baka dito meron. So, we're going to enter one of the stores. Mamaya na ulit.